What's going on, guys? In this video, we're taking a look at the Roku Ultra, the best and most powerful streaming device in the very popular Roku product line. It has an easy to use interface with a large selection of apps, a useful Find My Remote function, and comprehensive support for HDR formats for under $100. It might just be the best streaming device on the market right now, but it also might not be the best streaming device for you depending on how you plan to use it, and I'll explain why, who the Roku Ultra would actually be good for, and how to set it up and what to expect from daily use. Like many Roku products, the setup process for the Ultra is very simple, and it includes everything you need straight out of the box. You can plug it into your TV using the provided HDMI cable, and then you can follow the on-screen prompts. You'll need to enter your Wi-Fi credentials and sign into your Roku account. You can register it with the app to use your phone as a remote, and you can assign it a name and a location. It also conveniently auto-detects the display that it's connected to, and the remote has two convenient hotkeys that you can program, which has to be done by launching the app and using voice commands when you hold down the preferred button. The design of the Roku Ultra is rather minimal. It has a relatively low profile that's meant to sit underneath your television or in a home entertainment center. It has a solid selection of ports compared to some of the other streamers in the Roku lineup, and it's compared to the higher end NVIDIA streaming devices, including the HDMI port, power port, an Ethernet port for hardwiring, and a USB-A port for enabling local media streaming. The button on the right side enables the Find My Remote feature to help you locate it when it's lost, which is something I wish every remote had when I was growing up as a kid. Your remote emits an audible chime with 3 different volume levels, which is an outstanding feature to include in an under $100 streamer. The Ultra also has dual band MIMO Wi-Fi tech that gives you a very reliable signal at impressive distances, so this is a good choice for larger houses. I think that the Roku OS is an outstanding feature that provides a very intuitive user experience. It gives you rows and tiles to keep your preferred services in reach, and you can customize the order to your liking. I also thought that the menu was very easy to navigate, and it provides a featured free tab that promotes free content, a My Feed tab to track your favorite media, and access to some settings, but it does have some advertisements on the home screen. The operating system has support of thousands of apps, which include a lot of the major services like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Apple TV, which is a solid addition. I think that the Roku channel is also an excellent feature that gives you TV shows, movies, and some live channels for free. It also has AirPlay 2 support, so Apple users can conveniently cast it to the TV from an iOS device, and it supports screencasting with compatible devices. I could also pair my phone to it using Bluetooth connectivity to stream audio directly from my TV. If you're enjoying this video and you learned something about the Roku Ultra, be sure to give the video a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you're interested in updated pricing, be sure to check out the links in the description. The Roku Ultra provides a quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM to deliver fast loading times with an impressive performance and no pop-in issues when switching apps. This is very impressive for a streamer under $100. It streams content in stunning 4K resolution, and it provides a picture quality with plenty of detail, better contrast, and vibrant colors. You also get support for high-quality HDR content in HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision, along with Dolby Atmos support for an immersive soundscape. It also delivers a solid SDR image quality, although the colors are noticeably less realistic, and I really would have liked to see better image upscaling to higher resolutions. The remote is solid, and it has standard navigation buttons to control playback, along with the TV controls for power, volume, and mute. It also has 2 customizable buttons that easily launch your favorite apps, and dedicated hotkeys for Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and Sling TV. I like that Roku also includes a pair of headphones that can easily plug into the headphone jack to enable private listening, which is very useful for late night viewing. The remote also functions as a basic voice command for Alexa or Google Assistant, but the support is relatively limited and it can't control your other devices. If you're looking for an alternative with a better voice assistant, then the Fire TV Cube can act as a hub for your smart home, but the interface is less customizable and it might not be appealing for non-Amazon users. Overall, the Roku Ultra is a very high-end streaming device that offers excellent all-around performance. With stunning image quality, fast load times, the intuitive interface, it's easy to see why it's the best streamer for under $100 and maybe just the best value option on the market right now. If you're debating between a cheaper alternative like the Roku Express 4K, I would say that it's probably worth the upgrade to the Ultra if you can afford it. And unless you're really looking for top-of-the-line performance or gaming, then the NVIDIA Shield TV might be a better option. But for the majority of users, you'll find pretty much everything you need in the Roku Ultra at a very fair price. But that's just my opinion. Let me know your guys' opinions in the comments. For links to updated pricing on all the items mentioned, check out the description. If you guys learned something or you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like short, informative tech videos. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.